Have you ever wondered how to make money with little effort? Well, if you have, then you're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey of discovery, a journey that could potentially change your financial landscape. Imagine a world where earning money doesn't have to be a toiling task, but a simple trick. A trick so simple, yet so powerful, it could make your wallet a little heavier. Intrigued yet? Stick around and you might just find the answer you've been looking for. Today we're going to uncover a simple trick to make money with minimal effort. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your bank account is growing while you sip your morning coffee. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the beauty of passive income. It's income you earn that requires little to no effort to maintain. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree, all without you having to lift a finger. Now, there are many ways to earn passive income, from investing in stocks to renting out property. But today we're going to focus on a method that's both simple and accessible to everyone. A method that doesn't require a hefty initial investment or a deep understanding of finance. A method that can be started right now from the comfort of your own home. Interested yet? Keep listening to find out how. The first step towards this easy money-making trick is setting up. We're going to get down to the nitty-gritty, the initial steps you need to take to kickstart this method. Let's begin with the creation of an online account. This is where all the magic happens. It's like your virtual office where you will manage, monitor, and multiply your profits. Choose a platform that suits your comfort and convenience. It could be a social media platform, an e-commerce website, or a freelance job portal. The key is to find a space where you can showcase your skills, sell your products, or offer your services. So go ahead, sign up, and secure your online space. Now, let's talk about setting up a website. Yes, you heard right, a website of your own. It might sound daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. There are numerous website builders out there that are user-friendly and require no coding skills. Choose a simple, clean design that reflects your personality and the nature of your work. Remember, your website is your online identity. It's where potential customers, clients, or employers will get to know you and what you do. So take your time, build it well, and make it a reflection of you. Once you have your online account and website in place, it's time to optimize. This is the part where you fine-tune your online presence. Use keywords that are relevant to your work. Add a dash of SEO magic to your website, and make sure your online account is easy to find and navigate. The more user-friendly and accessible your online presence is, the more people will want to interact with you, leading to more opportunities for profit. And there you have it, the initial setup for our easy money-making trick. Remember, a strong setup is the foundation for success. It's like planting a seed. With time, the right care, and a little bit of magic, it will grow into a money tree. Now that you've got the setup, let's move on to the real action. Now that you're all set, it's time to implement the trick. Imagine yourself as a gardener. You've prepared your soil, you've got your seeds, and now it's time to sow. This trick is akin to planting a seed and nurturing it to grow. The first step is to plant your seed, your initial investment. Remember, this doesn't have to be a huge sum of money. Start small, think big. After planting your seed, it's time to water it. This is where you invest your time. Spend time researching the market, understanding trends, and making informed decisions. It's crucial to stay updated and in tune with the market conditions. Now, as a gardener, you wouldn't just plant a seed and forget about it, right? The same goes for your investment. Keep a close eye on it, monitor its growth, see how it's performing. This will give you a clear idea of how your investment is doing and whether you need to make any adjustments. Just as a plant needs sunlight, your investment needs exposure. Spread the word about your venture. Use social media platforms, engage with your community, and create a buzz. The more people know about your investment, the more they're likely to support it. There might be times when things don't go as planned. You might encounter unexpected challenges, but remember, every gardener faces pests or bad weather. The key is to not get disheartened and to tackle these challenges head-on. Make necessary adjustments, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. And just like a plant, your investment won't grow overnight. It takes time, patience, and dedication. It's important to remain patient and allow your investment the time it needs to grow. In the meantime, continue learning. Stay informed about the latest trends, continue to improve your skills, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to handle any situation. And finally, don't be afraid to go back to the drawing board. If something isn't working, it's okay to reassess and start again. The most successful people are those who aren't afraid to fail, learn and try again. So, to recap, plant your seed, water it, give it sunlight, monitor its growth, tackle challenges, be patient, continue learning, and don't be afraid to start again. And there you have it. But remember, patience is key. You've got the trick down, but how do you maximize your profits? You might be asking yourself this question right now, and the answer is pretty simple. You optimize. So let's dive into it, shall we? First things first, consistency is key. The trick may be simple, but it doesn't mean you should take it lightly. Make it a habit. Implement it every day, and don't let a moment of laziness or procrastination throw you off your game. Remember, even the smallest consistent efforts can create massive results over time. Secondly, always strive for improvement. Even if you feel you've mastered the trick, there's always room to get better. Always be on the lookout for ways to increase efficiency or enhance your technique. This could mean reading up on new strategies, learning from others, or simply experimenting with different approaches until you find what works best for you. Next, keep track of your progress. This is crucial because it allows you to identify trends and patterns and adjust your approach accordingly. If you notice a drop in your earnings, you can investigate and resolve the issue more quickly. Likewise, if you see a spike in your profits, you can analyze what you did right and double down on it. Another important aspect is to reinvest your earnings. This might seem counterintuitive at first. After all, the whole point is to make money, right? But by reinvesting a portion of your profits back into your business, you're setting yourself up for even greater success in the future. This could mean upgrading your tools, investing in education, or expanding your operations. And finally, don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. This not only boosts your morale, but also motivates you to keep going. It's important to appreciate the journey as much as the destination. With these tips, you're well on your way to making money with little effort. So keep at it, stay focused, and watch as your profits soar to new heights. Let's recap what you've learned today. We started this journey by unveiling a simple trick that can help you make money with minimal effort. The core of this trick lies in its simplicity and the potential it holds for anyone willing to invest a bit of time and energy. Firstly, we discussed the initial setup process. Remember, this is the foundation of your money-making endeavor. You need to create a solid base, and that involves understanding your niche, studying the market, and identifying opportunities that align with your interests and skills. The setup process also includes setting realistic goals and having a clear plan of action. Then we moved on to the implementation of the trick. This is where the magic happens. We discussed various strategies from leveraging your skills and experiences to diversifying your income streams to capitalizing on trends and opportunities. It's all about being proactive, staying informed, and seizing the moment. But implementation alone is not enough. To maximize your profits, you need to refine and optimize your strategies. This could involve tweaking your approach based on feedback, investing in upskilling, or even scaling up your operations. It's all about growth and continuous improvement. Throughout this journey, remember, consistency is key. This trick won't make you a millionaire overnight, but with dedication, persistence, and the right mindset, it can significantly improve your financial situation over time. In conclusion, this simple trick is not about quick wins or instant gratification. It's about developing a sustainable approach to making money, one that rewards patience, strategic thinking, and hard work. It's about transforming the way you perceive and interact with the world of finance. And that's our simple trick for making money with little effort. Try it out and watch your pocket grow.